everyone, I am Asha from class 5A. I have done Jigyasa Vigyan Mahotsav project of Agrotechnology and Soiless gardening. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Dash Pratap. I am from class 5th and I'm going to demonstrate how you can grow a plant in water without soil. First of all, cut a branch of a plant 2 to 3 inches long, and after that, put it in some water. And after some time, you will notice that the plant will start to grow more, and after 2 to 3 weeks, it will become a big plant.
Agrotechnology, growing a plant in water without soil. I have grown a plant named arrowhead in water. The plant which I have grown in water is moss on the cradle. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Maninder Singh and I am from class 5th. I have participated in Jigyasa Vigyan Mahotsav. The topic of Jigyasa Vigyan Mahotsav is agroecology. I have cut the roots of the money plant 15 days ago and implanted in the water, and now it grows rapidly like this. We have observed that gram and pulses have sprouted but need soil to grow. Money plants can grow well in water. Also, herbs like mint can be grow in water for 7 to 10 days. Thank you.